guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrita. I am still sleepy and tired. It's 6:12 in the morning. Today's Thursday. Nope, today's Friday, 8th of April, and today's a very special day for us. Why? Because I'm talking really slow because it's literally so early in the morning and Kian and Shomo both are sleeping. I just woke up. Why, I'm going to mention in a minute, but yeah, why today is special? Because as you guys know that we got our very first home, though there is a ritual called housewarming, Griho Prabesh in Bengali, as I'm a Bengali. That housewarming Pujo is today, so that's why it's special. And why I woke up so early, because I need to cook. I need to cook food. Basically I need to make bhog. Now what is a bhog? Bhog is the cooked food what we offer to God. And housewarming, if you guys don't know, it's basically when you buy a house, there is a ritual, a worship ritual you can call it, which we named it as a housewarming or Griho Prabesh. We basically offer food to God and ask them for their blessings to have a peaceful and healthy life. So we all do the pujas or worship of God every day by ourselves at home, right? But these type of special occasion pujos, right, like housewarming pujo or any kind of specific big festival pujo like Durga Pujo, Kali Pujo, Saraswati Pujo, like that, we can't do those pujos by ourselves if we are not Brahmins. Only Brahmins could do those type of special pujos. So as we are not Brahmins, we can't do these pujos. But we are lucky enough that we have a very good friend of ours right here who can do this pujo. So he's gonna do our housewarming pujo today. Now, as I'm vlogging, right, but I'm thinking of making two separate vlogs, one for prepping for housewarming, how we're prepping for the puja, and the second one will be the actual occasion. So in any of these two vlogs, I'm going to try to at least vlog my friends. So I'm going to try to introduce them, even if I can't introduce them by saying I'm going to put a title in it. I'm not sure yet, guys, so I can't promise you guys. My friends are coming over. There's a puja in my house, so me and Shoma will be pretty busy, right? So, and in between I'll try my best to vlog. I'm going to try to introduce all my friends to you guys. If I could, you guys will eventually see them and watch them anyways. So yeah, that's the introduction. Now I need to start cooking. It's already 6:23, and what else? Keep watching. So as a prepping, I already cut the veggies yesterday night. I already prepped it. Now I need to cook. What I'm making for bhog is I'm making payesh. There's a milk for payesh, and I'm making pulao, mishti pulao, that is yellow sweet rice. And I'm going to make some paneer curry. I already cut the paneer. There is some grated ginger because it's all a veg dishes, and veg dishes need ginger for the taste. And I'm going to make panch rokomer bhaja, that is 5 types of fried vegetables. I'm going to make some potato fries, pumpkin fries, cauliflower fries, borboti. I don't know what it's called in English. It's basically like kind of a bean, green bean. So, and the fifth one is eggplant. So that's the food I'm going to make today for bhog. So let's get started. Like as you guys know that we are like non-vegetarians, so we eat meat, fish, everything. So as I'm making bhog for the housewarming pujo, this time I got like separate utensils for pujo purpose. So I got this spatula set and this non-stick set for this purpose. So yeah, I thought of mentioning this in this vlog. Update time. I kind of finished making the bhog. I finished making paesh, paneer curry. Pulao is in the process of making. It's gonna be ready in a minute. And now I need to go to Walmart to pick up the last minute stuff, flowers, fruits, some other stuff. It's gonna be a quick stop, hopefully. But yeah, they are still sleeping, I'm not gonna wake Kian up because it's a long day. I don't want to make him cranky all day, so I'm gonna let them sleep, and I'm going to go alone and do this stuff quickly, come back home. We all got ready. Don't touch, Kian. We're going to the new home. Hannah, don't touch. Baby. So we already packed the car and now we're going to head out. There's Shomo. At last we are home. Cheers. And কি চাইছে আছে ওখানে ও কিয়ান কি খুঁজছো কিছু খুঁজছো careful. So now what we're going to do is literally like decorate this place. One of my friend is coming over to help us, thank God. So she's gonna come and we are going to decorate with like some flower garlands the puja area. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we have got this flower garlands. These are artificial one, and I have some leaves as well. So for the background, like where the puja will be we wanted to put this garland, but we don't want to like put a nail on the wall right now as it's new. You know how it feels. So my friend is coming over. She has the stand thingy. She has a stand thingy where we can like hang the this garland, so that we don't need to put a nails on the wall and put these things. So that's a plus. So when we're going to do it, I am obviously vlogging, so you guys can see that. So stay tuned. We literally got the very mini fridge, like where you can keep your skincare or small drink cans. So we got that fridge because we don't have the actual fridge right now in our home. We ordered it. It's gonna be delivered tomorrow. But why we got this mini one? Because Kian have milk at night and afternoon nap time. So that's why I need to keep the milk at least for today and tomorrow, because we're not sure when they're gonna come and set the fridge up. So we got the mini fridge so that we can keep at least his milk in it. So I'm going to show you guys. We ordered it from Amazon. I'm going to show you guys how the fridge is, because it's pretty like cute. So yeah, I'm going to keep the milk in here. And now this little man wants to have some mango, so Shomo literally cutting the mango. কি করে কাটবে? মাঝখানে তো আটি আছে স্মল। দাঁড়াও আমি কেটে দিচ্ছি, ওয়েট। I just served Kian lunch. I gave him some plain rice. And our friend is here. There's Mithu. Hello, Mithu. And there's Modi. And there's Ainada. Ainada, say hi.
Hello.
And he's helping to decorate the puja area. So that's what we're going to do now.
We are going to decorate our puja house.
Yes.
So we all are excited.
না না বাবা এখন কাজ করবে, তুমি অনিন্দাকে হেল্প করো। হ্যাঁ বাহ, ভালো লাগছে তো, গুড আইডিয়া। বাহ, ভালো আইডিয়া।
এটা একটা চিপিয়ে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ, চিপিয়ে দাও।
না ওটা আমি টানো।
কোনটা টানবে?
এটা কি কি এটা কি এটা জানো? হ্যাঁ, নমো ঠাকুর। হ্যাঁ, ফুড ট্রাক। কিয়ান বেবি, হ্যাঁ বসো কিয়ান, কেয়ারে বসো। হ্যাঁ, দিদিয়া বসেছে, তোমাকেও বসতে হবে, তাই তো? হ্যাঁ, ও মাই গুডনেস, কি ফানি। বাবা, কত বড় গাড়ি গো তোমার, এত বড় গাড়ি। হ্যাপি? ও মিঠু, তুমি হ্যাপি? খেয়ে নাও শোনো। বিবি বিবি, ওপরে যাস না। ডেকোরেশন ইজ ডান। থ্যাংক ইউ অরিন্দা, থ্যাংক ইউ বৌদি। হ্যাঁ, থ্যাংক ইউ সব। On this note, I'm going to end this vlog here, and I'm going to start like housewarming vlog separately. So stay tuned for that. I hope you like this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know. And if you love to watch my videos, haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. That will be great. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.